In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resource group in Microsoft Azure. This process is quite straightforward and essential for organizing and managing your resources efficiently. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding how to set up a resource group is crucial for optimal cloud management. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is to sign in to the Azure portal, which can be found at portal.azure.com. Make sure you have your credentials ready to log in, as you'll need access to your Azure account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Azure portal dashboard, which serves as your launchpad to explore all the available services. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, feel free to use the search bar. We all do when there's a lot to sift through. Type in Resource Groups and select it from the list of options that appear. We're heading into the section where all your resource groups will be organized and displayed. Once you're in the Resource Groups section, locate the +Create button, or it might be labeled +New. This is your gateway to creating a new resource group, so give it a click. You're now in the creation phase, and Azure will prompt you for some essential information to configure your new group. First on the list is the subscription field. Here, you'll choose the Azure subscription under which this resource group will fall. This is important as it dictates which account the resources and services will be billed to. Next, you need to provide a resource group name. This name must be unique within the subscription, so take a moment to think about a meaningful name that reflects the purpose or contents of your resource group. This will help you keep track of it easily in the future. You'll also need to decide on the region or location where the metadata for your resource group will be stored. It's good to note that while the metadata is fixed to this location, the actual resources within the group can reside in various regions. This flexibility is often beneficial for optimizing performance and resource costs. Optionally, you have the choice to add tags. These are name-value pairs attached to your resources, which can greatly aid in organization, cost tracking, and management. Although this step is optional, it is highly recommended for those managing large numbers of resources or seeking to streamline their billing. After you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click on Review + Create. Once you've reviewed your settings and confirmed they're correct, click Create to deploy your resource group. Now, after a brief moment, you'll see your new resource group appear in your list. You can click on it to open it and begin deploying resources into it right away. And there you have it. You're all set with a new resource group in Microsoft Azure, ready to be populated with whatever your project needs.